We can all agree that it's annoying when people keep reminding you that it's your birthday, even though you didn't want to share that information with them. Hello everyone, and welcome to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide your birthday party on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat in your device. Click on the icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right of your screen. On the Settings page under My Account, tap on Birthday. Uncheck the button of Birthday Party. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to hide birthday party on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.